Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Vishwanath C.C., working as a assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, JSS, Arts, Science and Commerce Degree College, Gokak. This college is affiliated for Rani Chennamma University. Today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is chemical equilibrium. This topic for B.Sc. second sem. First, we will see the meaning of equilibrium. Equilibrium means balanced. For example, if you are running on a treadmill, you are in constant motion. You are not moving forward or backward. As fast as run forward, the treadmill will move you backward. Now you are in equilibrium with the treadmill. This is the meaning of equilibrium. Next, we will see the meaning of chemical. Chemical means chemical reaction. It means a process where the reactants get converted into products with the help of a chemical change. That is called as a chemical reaction. For example, HCl reacts with NaOH, gives NaCl plus H2O. This is the meaning of chemical equilibrium. Next, we will come to the definition of chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium states that in a reversible reaction, when the rate of forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of backward reaction, the concentration of reactants and products do not change with the time in this state is called chemical equilibrium. For example, H2 plus I2 gives 2HI. This is the definition of chemical equilibrium and example. Next, we will come to the free energy change in chemical reaction. We already know that all chemical reactions are theoretically reversible and spontaneously proceed towards equilibrium when the rate of a chemical reaction are proportional to the concentration of reactants. The delta G becomes zero at equilibrium. The free energy of the products and the reactants are equal. For example, take a reaction A plus B gives C plus D as a product. Put K1, K2 as a rate constant. At equilibrium, what happens? Reactants become equal to the products. Then the equation becomes K1 concentration of A, concentration of B equals K2 concentration of C, concentration of D. At equilibrium, what happens? Delta G becomes 0. What happens? The equation K1 equals concentration of C, concentration of D divided by K2 equals concentration of A, concentration of B. For concentration of C, concentration of D divided by concentration of A, concentration of B put as a equilibrium constant. What happens? The equation KEQ equals K1 divided by K2. This is the free energy change in chemical reaction. Next, we will come to the law of mass action. Law of mass action states that the rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the product of the concentration of each reactant is called law of mass action. Next, we will come to the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant states that the ratio of the rate constant of the forward reaction to the rate constant of the backward reaction is called equilibrium constant. In next class, we will see the Van 't Hoff reaction. Thank you.